In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Visible Wireless Apple Watch support. Apple Watch Cellular for Visible Mobile has been confirmed. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there guys, welcome back to yet another episode on EB3 Tech. And if we're meeting for the first time, I am your host, Eddie Blodnicki III, and on this channel, we're typically talking tech. Today guys, we're talking about Visible Wireless, also known as Visible Mobile, and I came across this. I was actually searching for video idea and came across the Apple website, and I noticed that it listed Visible for support for the Apple Watch. So I did some digging, and we're going to be talking about that today. So guys, we're going to go ahead. Let's just dive right on in here. All right, so at the Visible website, at this time of filming, there's actually no mention of Apple Watch support. They've got this party pay here, and they've had that for quite some time. But I've been browsing around the site, and there's actually no mention of this. But if you go ahead and you go to the official Apple site here, and you go, and I did leave this link in the description for you guys to check out. If you scroll down here and you go to the supported carriers, you will see here that Visible is now listed. And of course, you can't click on it here. And that really got me wondering. So I went ahead and I chatted with a Visible representative. At this time, they cannot tell me when it is coming, but they did say it is confirmed, and they also verified with me on the Apple website, because I actually mentioned that to them, and they said, yes, it is coming, it is confirmed, but they don't have an estimated ETA yet. But guys, honestly, this is very, very exciting, because I've been told before that none of these prepaid carriers would be getting support for the Apple Watch, and honestly, I just didn't buy that. I talked about on the channel here how Spectrum was getting support for the Apple Watch. And Spectrum has it. Technically, they're a prepaid carrier. They use Verizon towers as well. Visible, they're big on saying that they use Verizon towers as well. And so I thought to myself, you know what? This is actually a good thing, because this is going to actually push more carriers, such as Cricket Wireless is a big one, and I actually talked about that a couple years ago, and at this time Cricket does not support the Apple Watch, and so I'm hoping that Cricket will get their act together and push this right along with eSIM. And I've been digging into Visible a little bit more here, and there's actually quite a few topics that I'm actually going to cover here in the future. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know that support for Visible Mobile, Visible Wireless, whatever you want to call it, I've heard it said the same way, Visible, Visible.com. Anyways, and like I said, guys, I will keep you updated, and you can go on your iPhone under the cellular, and you can go and see as soon as that's available, guys. You'll be able to use it. And like I said, no details on pricing or anything. I wasn't able to get anything, so it's kind of under lock and key so far. But anyway, guys, I wanted to bring this to you because honestly, I haven't really seen anyone else talking about this yet. So I wanted to go ahead and jump on the bandwagon, as they would say. So anyway, guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, well, that other button still seems to work okay too. Maybe you've come across my channel, maybe for the very first time, this video was recommended to you through YouTube, or you searched for Visible Wireless Apple Watch came across my video, you're like, you know what, Eddie? You're not such a bad guy. Then I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So guys, as you know, or like I said, if you're a first-time subscriber, you get to know me. I tell it how it is on the channel. Always keeping it real here with what I got to say. So guys, I appreciate you and I appreciate your continued support. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Much more exciting content in tech. Guys, you know it. It's on the way. And if you have any additional questions for me that you'd like to see or any future topics that you'd actually like me to talk about, definitely talk to me, guys. Definitely let me know in the comments. I've been getting many thumbs ups, but I haven't been getting some comments, and that actually messes with the YouTube algorithm just a little bit. So guys, if you could, I'd appreciate, even if you just want to say hi to me down in the comments. It really helps out the ranking. So anyway, guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today's video. Like I already said, and I'll say it again, stay tuned to the channel, guys. Much more exciting content in tech. You know it, guys. It's on the way soon. All right, guys, and until next time.